Hey there, my name is Brian, and I just wanted to give a shout out to Matt Parr and the amazing course that he's actually put together. I really didn't know anything about YouTube and the power that it actually has and what you can do with it as far as making money. So I just wanted to give Matt, geez, just a real shout out of what he put together. Again, I went through the whole course. It took me about, I don't know, a couple weeks to get through it, just because I have other stuff going on, so I only had a little bit each day. But anyways, he talks, as you can see here, this is what the modules look like. He talks about choosing a niche. He talks about how to set up the channel for success, making and uploading the videos, the growth module. He talks about monetization, which was awesome. God, that was awesome. I can't believe all the different ways you could use YouTube to do things with. And scaling, of course. Look, there's a lot of crap out there on the internet, and most of it is crap. This is the real deal, I'm telling you. You definitely want to get this course. You probably should have charged, I don't know, maybe 2 or 3 times what he does charge. So you will not be disappointed. Super excited, Matt. Thanks a lot. I look forward to following everything you said to do and having my own success. So talk soon.